Assalamu alaikum to all my students. I am your English teacher from Metropolitan Foundation School. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well and safe at home. Today, here I am to explain you a revision work of English B of class 2. It's a revision work of month of November and month of December. You have to just watch this video and tally your whole work of month of November and December. So let's start our today's video. First of all, we are going to tally the work of month of November. Okay, the first work is it's a month of November work and first work is singular plural. The first work is singular plural. I have given you the 5 singular plural, so you have to write it in your copy. The first one is knife. The first one is knife. K-N-I-F-E, knife. K-N-I-F-E, knife. And its plural is knives. Knife, and its plural is knives. The second one is wife. The second one is wife. W-I-F-E, wife. And its plural is wives. W-I-V-E-S, wives. Singular means one and plural means more than one. When we are talking about one thing, it's called singular. When we are talking about the more than one, so it is called plural. Okay, the third one is thief. T-H-I-E-F, thief. And its plural is thieves. T-H-I-E-V-E-S, thieves. The fourth one is calf. C-A-L-F, calf. And its plural is calves. C-A-L-V-E-S. The fifth one is safe. S-A-F-E, safe. And its plural is safes. S-A-V-E-S, safes. Now it's a work of month of November. The first work is you have to done it in your English P copy. It's a month of November work. The first one is singular plural. I have given you the 5 singular plural, so you have to write it in your English P copy. Okay, the next work is word opposite. It is also related to month of November. Word opposite. The first one is kind. K-I-N-D, kind. K-I-N-D, kind. And its opposite is cruel. And its opposite is cruel. C-R-U-E-L, cruel. Kind, cruel. Word opposites. Word opposites are basically those words which are contradict to each other. एक दूसरे के उलट अल्फाजों को हम कहते हैं word opposite. फर्स्ट है हमारे पास kind. Kind means रहमदिल. And its opposite is cruel. Cruel means zalim. The second one is rich. The second one is rich. R-I-C-H, rich. Rich means Amir. And its plural is, and its opposite is poor. Word is rich and its opposite is poor. P-O-O-R, poor. Rich, Amir, poor, Gharib. The third one is enemy. E-N-E-M-Y, enemy. E-N-E-M-Y, enemy. Enemy means dushman. and its opposite is friend. 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 Friend means dost. Fourth one is peace. 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 Peace means aman. And its opposite is war. 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 War means jung. The fifth one is long. 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 And its opposite is short. 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 Long means lamba and short means chota. So it is also related to month of November. Now move to the next work. Now next work is masculine feminine. We have a 5 masculine feminine in month of November. So the first one is nurse. The first one is nurse and its feminine is female nurse. Masculine and feminine are those words. Masculine is related to basically male family and feminine is basically related to the female ones. When we are talking about a male or a boy, it's called masculine. On the other hand, if we are talking about any girl or any lady or any woman, so it is called or it is related to the feminine group. The first one is nurse and its feminine is female nurse. The second one is prince, 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 and its feminine is princess. Princess. The third one is host, host, and its feminine is hostess, Hostess, hostess. Hostess. Okay, the fourth one is tiger, tiger, and its feminine is tigress. Tigress. Fifth one is actor, actor, and its feminine is actress. So in month of November, first of all we have a singular plural, then what opposite, then masculine feminine. So you have to make sure that these all work should be done in your English P copy. Now move to the next work. Okay, the next work is question answers of unit number 34 in month of November. Unit number 34 question answers. The first one is where does Rinky keep her storybooks? Where does Rinky keep her storybooks? And the answer is Rinky keeps her storybooks on a shelf. In this question answers you have a 3 question answers. So read it along with me and tally also. Where does Rinky keep her storybooks? Rinky keeps her storybooks on a shelf. Question number 2 is where does Rinky keep her school books? Where does Rinky keep her school books? And the answer is Rinky keeps her school books on the table. Rinky keeps her school books on the table. Question number 3 is who makes Rinky's bed? Who makes Rinky's bed? And the answer is she makes her own bed. She makes her own bed. Now I have given you the 3 question answers, so you have to done it in your copy. Now move to the next work. Now next work is exercise B on page number 59 in your copy. You have to make sure that this work should be done in your copy. Okay, do exercise B on page number 59 in copy. Okay, the exercise B, fill in the blanks with a, an or the. Okay, this exercise is related to the articles a, an, the. Okay, the first one is Danish did all the sums in his exercise book. Danish did all the sums in his exercise book. The second one is Shaheen took out a new pencil and an eraser from her pencil box. Shaheen took out a new pencil and an eraser from her pencil box. The third one is they lived on an island in the sea. They lived on an island in the sea. The fourth one is Mohsin had an upper berth in the train. Mohsin had an upper berth in the train. His sister had a lower berth. The fifth one is Bunty took out the only pack of orange juice and poured some into a glass on the table. Bunty took out the only pack of orange juice and poured some into a glass on the table. It's exercise B. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. You have to done this exercise in your copy. Now move to the next work. The next work is related to composition. In month of November, you have a composition. Its name is My Classroom. You have to just 5 lines. You have to just write 5 lines on my classroom. Okay, the first one is my classroom is quite spacious and airy. My classroom is quite spacious and airy. The second one is there are 20 desks in my classroom. There are 20 desks in my classroom. The third one is my classroom is very big. My classroom is very big. The fourth point is it is very clean. It is very clean. The last one is I like my classroom very much. I like my classroom very much. This is all work of month of November. Okay, the first work is related to month of November is singular plural. Then we have a word opposite. Then masculine feminine. Then you have a question answers of unit number 34. Then we have a exercise B related to articles. Then you have a composition on my classroom. You have to make sure that all work should be done in your English B copy. If any work or any exercise would be left, so you have to complete it in this video. Now move to the next work. Now it's a month of December. Now we are going to tally the work of month of December. The first work is exercise A on page number 72. Exercise A on page number 72. Exercise A on page number 72. The first is exercise A. Pick out the pronouns from the following sentences and write them in the blank spaces. Pick out the pronouns from the following sentences and write them in the blank spaces. The first one is Feroz gave him a piece of chocolate. Feroz gave him a piece of chocolate. Answer is him, used as a pronoun. The second one is Nida said that she had to go home. Nida said that she had to go home. And the answer is she is using as a pronoun. Number 3 is please tell us a story. Please tell us a story. And the answer is us. And the answer is us. U-S, us. The fourth is they play in the garden all day. They played in the garden all day. And the answer is they. T-H-E-Y, they. T-H-E-Y, they. Okay, the fifth one is Mother told us not to stay out late. Mother told us not to stay out late. And the answer is us. And the answer is us. It's a month of December, exercise A on page number 72. Pick out the pronouns from the following sentences and write them in the blank spaces. So, you have to make sure that this exercise would be done in your English B copy for the month of December. Now move to the next work. Okay, the next work is we have a composition on winter season. We have a composition on winter season. I have given you the 5 lines on winter season. The first one is winter is the coldest season of the year. Winter is the coldest season of the year. The second one is it is very pleasant season. It is very pleasant season. It is very pleasant season. The third point is we wear woolen clothes. We wear woolen clothes. We wear woolen clothes. The fourth point is we eat lots of dry fruit. We eat lots of dry fruit. The last point is I love it very much. Winter is the coldest season of the year. Second is it is very pleasant season. Third is we wear woolen clothes. Fourth is we eat lots of dry fruit. Fifth is I love it very much. Now move to the next word, singular plural. The first one is desk, desks. The second one is ring, rings. The third one is plate, plates. The fourth one is wall, walls. The fifth one is bottle, bottles. It's a singular plural of month of December. I have given you the 5 singular plural, so it should be done in your English B copy for month of December. Now move to the next word. Word opposite. The first one is front, back. Second is left, right. Third is far, near. Fourth is fresh, stale. Fifth is agree, disagree. It's a word opposite and I have to given you the 5 words opposites. So you have to done it in your copy. Now move to the next word, masculine, feminine. The first one is king, queen, boy, girl, dog, bitch, widower, widow, mouse, doe. Masculine, feminine. First is king, queen. Second, boy, girl, dog, bitch. Fourth is widower, widow. Fifth is mouse, doe. So move to the next word. It's all a revision work video of month of November and December. If any work or any exercise would be left, so you have to complete it with the help of this revision work video. If any exercise would be left in your copy, so you have to complete it with the help of this video. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.